Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hopkinsville, local and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of options you can enjoy with a long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, you get the help you truly need. We know how to make your location so much easier. Our team of movers will ensure your things stay protected no matter how far you need to move. A Kentucky moving company will provide you with the right services for your specific needs. When you hire professional movers to help you with your local move, you can avoid doing the heavy lifting. This means less chance of injury or damaged items. 3 Movers will provide you with the help that you need, and we streamline the entire moving process to get you settled in sooner and with more energy. A move that might take you all weekend, we can do in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hopkinsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.